The greedy Pani Puri seller Ravi was one of the most famous Pani Puri sellers in town. Every day, a long queue of customers waited at his stall. But Ravi had one bad habit, greed. He always thought about ways to make more profit, even if it meant using dishonest methods. A trick to save money: Ravi started mixing extra water into his spicy pani to make it last longer. The flavor remained strong, but he spent less on ingredients. Gradually, he began using stale save, low-quality spices, and old puris. Customers didn't realize they were eating substandard pani puri. A mysterious customer one day, an old man, came to his stall. He ordered a plate of pani puri and carefully tasted each one. A slight smile appeared on his face. Then, he softly said, "Son, I used to sell pani puri too, but my greed ruined my business." Surprised, Ravi asked, "How?" The old man explained, "When people realize they are being cheated, they slowly stop coming. At first, profits rise, but eventually, your reputation and customers disappear." A lesson learned. The old man's words struck Ravi deeply. The next day, he decided to improve his pani puri. He started using fresh ingredients, high-quality spices, and maintained hygiene. Slowly, people began praising his pani puri, and his business grew even more. Ravi finally understood that greed might bring temporary gains, but true success comes from honesty and hard work.
If you want to watch the translation video of this story from English to Hindi, then the link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching.